Hi guys, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm back again with another video. So before then, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button down there and turn your bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And if you have subscribed to my channel before, thank you and God bless you. So guys, today's video when I want to talk about this Imo state, no, Imo or Enugu state governor. So sorry, Enugu state governor birthday party. So na that one I want to talk about. So I will first leave una watch this video, then we will come back come yarn this go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Many more years 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 to you.
Okay guys, so I don't watch this particular video. Now let's see wetin me I dey see for this video. If una dey see wetin I dey see, if una no understand wetin dey go on for that video, wetin that crowd is all about, na birthday party. Actually, this Nigeria governor and their president, I no understand how Nigeria country dey turn into. Okay, una use una hand announce something. See make anybody make dem don dey crowd together. Make dem dey stay 2 meters away from each other. Una see the kind party wey governor dey do. Una see the kind party wey Enugu state governor dey do with that kind of crowd of people. Some even wear mask. You wear mask, you dey in crowd of people, you dey inside public. Okay, una dey do this one. Now wetin una wan make una people una dey governor come do? The people wey una dey control, the people wey dey under una, wetin una wan make those people come do? Which good example una dey show now to those people? Okay, because say you na governor now, you can't do this, you can't do party now, you can't break the law, then nothing go happen because you be governor. Law, nobody's above the law. Either you be big or small, nobody's above the law. As far as they don't put the law, they don't put am. Na Funke Akindele wey do her own, wey do her husband own, na that one the matter dey still dey draw the lady up and down. They never even solve that one. Then because say you be governor, you can't crowd people, una come dey do birthday. So now Nigeria don become party after party. So this thing una dey announce for Nigeria say make everybody stay indoor, dey use am dey disturb the poor people wey dey, because e no dey affect una wey be the rich people. The thing no dey affect una at all. Na the poor one the thing dey always dey affect. So because say e no dey affect una wan use am punish, because na punish, na wickedness I call this one. Because this particular thing wey we dey see for this Europe, this koro of a thing, so the thing no worst for Naija. Even wey dey Europe sef, for Germany here, you free to go out go buy something without say they no dey stop you, say make you no go buy. So una can't deceive people, because this one I will deceive I call am now, because this one no be say make una stay indoor to protect una safe, because una wey dey talk am, una dey do party, una dey crowd, una dey celebrate birthday, una dey use am dey wicked, dey punish the innocent citizen make dem stay indoor without no food. So una get money, una take dey do party. People wey una put for inside house make dem dey indoor, dem no see food eat, dem dey cry for hungry, but una dey do party. If poor person now, person wey no get money, come do this thing wey una do, our ear no go hear what dey get. Different news go dey carry am say they don break the law, and na una dey use hand dey break law wey una put. How people go take obey that law? How people go take follow the law wey una put? Una say make people stay at home, then stay at home as you come still hold reach, must you do birthday? No be every year you dey do birthday. As far as say your birthday fall for this kind situation time, for this kind time wey be say everybody need to hide itself, then you still say no, you must still do the party. So una know wetin una dey do. All these Nigeria politicians, una know wetin una dey do. Una lock the innocent citizen for inside house, una dey enjoy una life dey go. So that means say all those rumors wey dey hear say na so koro catch person for here, na so koro catch person for this place for Nigeria, so state for Nigeria koro catch am, meaning say those things na lie, na just for rumour. And I know say something una dey expect income from that all those rumour una dey carry. I know say una dey expect income for all those rumour. E no good. All these Nigeria politicians, what una dey do now, una need to stop all these things. Make una dey go straight forward. Make una no dey put the innocent people for panic. Make una no dey let them dey panic. People wey never fit get money buy food, people wey be say dem dey go out, dey go work, get everyday payments, like dey go hustle, dey put food for their table. As una don lock dem inside house, una dey do party, una dey enjoy una sef, una dey go out, then those people now go dey cry inside house there. Dem go dey cry for hungry. People now dey hang theirself because of this situation. People now dey take poison because of this situation. Una keep everybody for inside house. No be say this thing don worst. This thing never worst reach wey be say now say make people enter house, make people stay indoor. E never worst like that for Nigeria. E never worst. We never hear say na so for Lagos 20 people they lose their life, or for Edo State 100 people lose their life, or from for Kogi State so we never hear those kind of rumors. Una don just say we are shut down, make everybody enter house, because una know say the thing can never affect una. E go only affect the poor people, the poor innocent citizen, the one wey dey hawk pure water till dey eat, the one wey dey sell gala till dey eat, the one wey dey do daily job till dey eat, the one wey be say dem dey find even to beg, make dem for see something put for belle. Those kind people now una lock inside house, then una dey do party. Which improvement be that one? Which good example una dey give? After dem say Nigeria youth are very lazy, after dem say Nigeria youth dem no dey fit dey do anything, na the wetin dem dey see for una hand na dem take dey do something. Because una wey be the governor and the president and the senator, all of una na the same. Una sit down do meeting to put people indoor, make una dey do party. Okay, this one wey you come do, nobody go talk for this one wey you do now, based on you be governor, you be Enugu state governor, na you be, na you call yourself, so you can break the law anytime wey you like. Or this law na you put am by yourself, then you need to break am by yourself. If una don dey do party like this, so una allow the people una keep for inside house, make dem come outside come dey hustle, make dem come outside come dey find their daily bread. Because I no fit just keep families wey be say man wey get 3 or 4 children, wey get wife and children for inside house, then una go dey enjoy una life dey go, una go dey do party dey go. So since this koro start now, Funke Akindele don do im own comot, you come carry your own, say your name na Ifeanyi whatever, come dey do party for inside this hot koro weather wey be say everybody dey hide their head. Una no travel again, una no come abroad again come do the party. I believe say wetin na before na abroad na for come do this party, but una know say this side na dey hot for koro. Okay guys, so all this our Nigeria leader, abeg make una dey show good example to the innocent citizen, make una dey show good example to the innocent youths. And the worst part, na still do the party, una still post am for social media, make everybody see am say no be your oga on top. Nothing wey be say dem go fit do una, nothing wey be say dem go fit tell una, nobody go fit charge una to court, because na dey rule the country. Everybody now don get right on her own. Everybody now na oga on their own. We no get president, we no get anything for Nigeria again. Nigeria now na just do your own. But when the poor person now go bring their own come outside, una go draw their leg, follow everywhere. Una no go let iyeye word for social media again. Why be say all those things dey happen? Una no fit limit some kind things. So na as in more as this koro weather be, so now as this koro weather be, una go change different attitude. una go change different character, una go dey make good example, because in this korokoro we no know person wey go catch, and if you catch person before person dey survive am, e dey hard. So una go dey show good example so that God go dey forgive una for the things una don first do wrong. As this korokoro come, so una go dey do good, as in una go dey encourage people how to stay safe, stay indoor, how to dey give una citizen food, make dem no come outside, una go dey distribute food give dem. Una, and the worst part, una dey travel dey come abroad, una no be say una no dey know all those things wey dey happen o, una dey see with una eye, but that stinginess, because this one no be wickedness, na stingy, because money no dey belle full una eye. That stinginess wey una stingy, una no go fit use am take share give other people. See many countries wey be say something as this korokoro dey happen for Turkish and Tunis, they dey share food dey give their people dey go. Their people dey go knock door, carry food stuff give them, wey dem know say that food stuff go fit last 2 or 3, 4 days. Then they go still come back again, still come give them. But I see the one that dey give people for Nigeria, una dey give some people bread, una dey give some people 1 cup of rice, una go give one street, one wetin no even reach half bag of rice for one street. Wetin una say make dem eat for 2 weeks, una say una wan take do lockdown, 2 weeks lockdown, una go share bread for 2 weeks lockdown, only one bread. Nigeria government, make una change, make una still try, make una still limit all those una attitude, all those una bad attitude, make una limit am, make una still change to a good level. Person dey change na. Sometimes if you don wan enter new year, they'll say okay, this year we wan enter, so I go change. Since una no fit change for this new year we wan enter, as this korokoro come, so make una change, make una change, because this korokoro nobody know where e go take end. And if you don catch person, you don catch am be that. Abeg my people, my Nigeria government, make una change o, na because of una bad attitude make us dey run comot for Africa. So guys, na there I wan end my video. So if you know say this video, you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you no still like am, you can still give this video a thumbs down, no, nothing bad. And don't forget to drop your comment below wetin you think about this video. Don't forget to drop your comment, and thank you very much. See you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye bye.